True story. May kilala akong business owner na kung kailan nasunugan, dun pa, tuwang-tuwa. Bigla ko silang naalala kasi ganitong panahon yun magpapasko, nasunugan ng warehouse yung isang client namin. Pero nung kinumusta ko sila after ng sunog, ang sabi pa sa akin ng business owner, Mix, alam mo, blessing in disguise to. Paano ba naman? Dahil insured yung warehouse nila, ang laki ng naging insurance claim. At dahil naayos namin yung accounting and inventory records nila beforehand, maayos na na-substantiate yung claim. Ang ending, nasunog yung isang warehouse pero napalitan ng 3 bago, which enabled them to grow their business even further sa kabila ng nangyari. This is a proof that a clear and accurate set of accounting records enable you to make better and faster dispositions sa negosyo. Para kahit na wala akong kahoy, knock on wood, masunugan, hindi ka magpapanik. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na.